Hey friends, if you wish to find large files in OneDrive, then I will help you with it. I know that you can always find it through the OneDrive folder here on the list on the left hand side, but I'll give you a better option. Just go to the online page. Just go to your browser and search for OneDrive.com. It's basically the same thing, but we get a customized menu here. So once you go to OneDrive.com and log in, if you're using Microsoft Edge, it will auto log you in, but still click on click on your the gear like symbol here and select options. Now it will immediately take you to the Microsoft storage page. Okay, so you will get a breakup of what is using what. Okay, and then you can counter that easily. You can like say OneDrive is using as much storage, so you can click on empty recycle bin, so you can delete the recycle bin content. It will free up some space. Or you can go to OneDrive and then you can what do you say check what is using more and more space. Wait, so this is what you can do. And you can also buy more storage. Okay, if the storage is less. And other than that, you can always go to what do we say the OneDrive folder on your system and arrange it according to size. Okay, right. Now when you arrange it according to size, it will arrange all the folders according to the size. So this is what it will do. I don't have a lot of data on my system, otherwise it would have shown it accordingly. But it will still arrange the larger files according to size and keep them on the top. And if it is a larger folder, it will keep that folder on the top as well. So that is how it does it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.